What's going on, everybody? Justin Savage here, MarineMax Venice, right beside a Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. So great entry-level boat that we offer from their line. If you are new to boating, this is a great option. If you're not new to boating, this is a great option for a tender for the back of your boat if you have something larger. So this one equipped with a Mercury 40 horse, 4-stroke. As we move in, nice bimini top, opens all the way to the front of the helm, so plenty of sun coverage. Battery is very easy to get to. Gas tank, very easy to get to. Very simplistic helm, not a lot of switches you need to switch, so very easy to operate with a nice storage space on top of it for your belongings, whether it be a wallet, keys, whatever it is. And then you also see that you'll see a big compartment that'll open up there. That's a nice spot for your anchor, dock lines, things like that. So if you're someone that likes to cruise around out on the intercoastal, catch a little fishing spot, pull up to a sandbar, or restaurant, this is a great option for that, especially in this area. If you have any other questions on it, you want to check it out for yourself. This is, like I said, they're more entry-level boat, but doesn't sacrifice any quality. It's still that whaler DNA. So come by and check it out. My name is Justin Savage. Love to go through it with you. MarineMax Venice.